What's going on YouTube? It's GadgetsBoy and I'm at this secret location. Fiat invited me over to do an unboxing, and you guys know how we get down on this channel. We're gonna have a look at this box, see what it's all about. Check this out. It's by Fiat, obviously. It's a car. Whoa, sealed and everything. Check this out, it's even got this sign down here. Imagine they delivered the car upside down though. Oh, it's dark in there. Let's unbox this bad boy. Let's see what's in there. A good unboxing. Whoa, it's red. Boom, so it's out of the box. This is the Tipo. Check that out, nice grille going on there. Check out the rims. So this is a 17-inch alloy there. Those of you guys who hate petrol cap, open this up, voila, there's nothing there. So that's a really nice car. We've got 5-inch display there, so this is really good. It's got Bluetooth, DAB, it's packed. Let's move down here a little bit. We've got USB area there, so you can connect your phone via USB. What more can you ask for? That's a Fiat Tipo, guys. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment below. Catch you in the next one.